Hey, welcome back, y'all. So today I made a crispy chicken Caesar salad. You'll need some romaine, some anchovy paste, some garlic, some Dijon mustard, some chicken breast, mayo, W sauce, vinegar, lemon, Parmesan cheese, milk, and some croutons. To make your own buttermilk, I just used a cup of milk and a tablespoon of vinegar. Let it sit for 5 minutes, and then you want to go ahead and season it with whatever seasonings you want. Whisk it all together and put it to the side. I got my washed and clean chicken breast, split it in half. Added the seasoning and the buttermilk mixture. Mix it all together, added some saran wrap and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. For the Caesar dressing, a cup of mayo, W sauce, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, a tablespoon of anchovy paste, the juice of half a lemon, some grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper, parsley, and I whisked it all together. It was a little too tight, so I added some red wine vinegar and a little bit more black pepper to taste. And I let that sit to the side so it can come together as well. To fry our chicken, got some flour, some cornstarch, salt, and pepper. Make sure it's mixed very well, and then go ahead and add your chicken to the flour mixture. Add it to your oil. Allow it to cook until it's golden brown on both sides. Take it out and let it rest like so. I went ahead and cut up some romaine. Added some of our homemade Caesar dressing and tossed it together. Cut up some of our crispy chicken breasts. Added croutons and freshly grated Parmesan. Y'all, that homemade dressing was so good I had to add some on top, but this is what it ended up looking like. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Catch you on the next one.